This video is about past simple and past continuous. So here you can see past simple. It works the same way as present simple, really. So you've got nouns and adjectives, verb be, and then you've got if you're using another verb, not verb be, then you don't use verb be. Okay, so for example, I lived, you bought, didn't live, didn't buy, did live, did buy. Okay, so it's different if you're using noun and adjective, different if you're using another verb. Okay, let's look at past continuous quickly. This one, past continuous. So you see here, past continuous also uses verb be, but we have another verb and we have ing. So it's similar to present continuous, just we use was or were instead of am, is, are. Okay. Right. So here are some examples. I went to the mall yesterday. That is past simple, just a simple sentence. Okay, this happened yesterday, it's finished, we just use past simple. Okay. The second example, this is typically how you'll see past continuous being used. So for I was going to the mall yesterday, past continuous, when my sister called me. So we often use past continuous when or while, and then we use it with past simple. I think, as I remember, it's usually like this in exams. So you have one past continuous and one past simple like this. So the past continuous one is the activity which takes the longer time. So I was going to the mall. Maybe this takes 10-20 minutes. When my sister called me, a few seconds. Just the noise of the phone ringing. Okay. Another example. Okay. You can see the last one here. We were watching TV in the evening while we were having dinner. So this is two activities at the same time. I don't think there'll be many like that in the exam though. They'll mostly be like this one. Okay. Here's another example. I was eating my dinner when the phone rang. So here in red, past continuous, green, past simple. The continuous one maybe takes 20 minutes. The green one, a few seconds, like that. Okay, okay, so here, this slide, which are longer activities, which are shorter activities. So, for example, we were having a party when they gave me presents. Okay, so the having party took maybe 1 or 2 hours. The giving the presents, not very long. The second example, I was watching TV when somebody broke my window. Okay, so the breaking window doesn't take very long. And you can say it the other way around. So I could say, somebody broke my window when I was watching TV. They gave me presents when I was having a party. So you can change it the other way around. Okay. All right, let's just go straight to the Blackboard tasks for that one. Oh, maybe. Actually, let's look at this one from the ebook first. This is page 19 in the ebook. Okay, so at exactly that time, I sat or was sitting in a traffic jam. Probably was sitting is better here because at that time it's not finished and it's something that takes a fairly long time. Okay, I was driving to a big football match. Okay, it's not finished yet. The driving. And tragically, we missed the first half of the match. Okay, so this one is something that is not really an activity. So, okay. Okay, let's continue. When I was a young child, my sister and I always watched TV together on a Sunday morning. So this is just like a past habit. Okay, so better to use past simple. Okay, one Sunday we probably came downstairs because that doesn't take very long and switched on the TV. Doesn't take very long, but they probably here weren't showing. They weren't showing all our usual. So at that moment, it's not finished. Instead, every channel was showing pictures of we didn't understand why. Okay, understand is never in continuous. It's a state verb. Okay, let's do number 3. I can remember when I was about 2.5, I was sitting at the kitchen table while my mum was cooking dinner. So it's 2 things at the same time. I was cutting out pictures from a magazine. It's 3 things at the same time. Then suddenly, for no reason, I fell off. So this happens quickly, only 1 second. That's past simple. And banged my head. Again, that's a quick action. My mum took me to hospital. Okay, so here, why took, not was taking, because in this sentence it's something that's finished. Okay, it's not still happening at that time. Okay, let's just go straight to the Blackboard task and look at that one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so when he so here you've got past continuous, was texting. Okay, so because we've got continuous here, it's look for past simple. Okay, I think in exams usually like this. So you've got 1 past continuous, and then you need 1 past simple. Past simple, had. So when he had the accident, he was texting on the phone. Number 2, we met. That's past simple. So I want a past continuous one here. So we met lots of interesting people while we were traveling in Europe. We were. Okay. Number 3, they. Okay, when the teacher came in, that's past simple. So here I want past continuous. They were eating food. Okay, they were. Okay, here she was making her lunch. That's past continuous. So here I want past simple. She heard the news on the radio. Okay. Number 5. Here we've got past continuous. Were cleaning. So I want past simple here. It started to rain. Okay. When the lightning struck, strike, that is past simple. So Abdullah was playing football. He was when the lightning struck. Okay, number 7. Were you thinking? Past continuous. What were you thinking when you first met the sheikh? Past simple. Okay, when the police stopped her car, past simple. So here we want past continuous. Unfortunately, my mother, she wasn't wearing a seatbelt. Okay. Number 9. My father was cleaning the windows, past continuous, when he fell off, past simple. Okay. While she was doing the exam, past continuous. So here I want past simple. Fatima felt sick while she was doing the exam. Actually, you could say the blue one here as well, but I think in this it's a mistake for them to put both here, because you could say both of these. But I would, because of, typically they want 1 past simple and 1 past continuous. Better to put this one if you see something like that in the exam. Okay, I'll stop that video there.